my live audience. Nearly 43% of kids have been bullied online, and 1 in 4 has had it happen more than once. Several kids have spoken about bullying and even experienced it themselves. I myself have not only been bullied, but cyberbullied, often through Facebook. Over 80% of teens use a cell phone regularly, making it the most common medium for cyberbullying. We have a major problem with cyberbullying, and cyberbullying has become increasingly worse as the technology has begun to grow and get larger in society, such as Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram, and all the comments on there are often used to cyberbully. When I was in middle school in 2009 through 2012, it only seemed like a handful of kids had phones, but it wasn't a very popular thing. As of 2017, when my sister was in middle school in 8th grade, every 4th child had a cell phone, and I have seen so much negativity towards cell phones that sometimes when I think about them, I only think about the negativity that's brought from them. The solution I have to cyberbullying is filling feeds with positivity, such as the Happy Feed, which is just like a feed of people that just post positive quotes. And instead of negative things such as, why are you making that face, or you talk funny, or you have a funny accent. These are some of the main things that people find as cyberbullying comes along. They find that they repeat the same kind of comments to each other. I think the best way we can encourage cyberbullying to end is saying things like, you're doing a great job, keep up the good work, and you look great, are all positive things that we can use to encourage our classmates instead of putting them down. Even strangers, when we pass on the street, we should always smile at them and give them nice words like, you look really nice, or I like your shirt, because it's nice to get a compliment. Being kind, not only online, makes a difference in the world, and I hope that we can all stop cyberbullying together. So help me break the mold. We need to do these things like spreading positivity and kind things such as pictures of puppies and smiley faces. We need to act on things and help end bullying, which will also build some suicide prevention, because it's also a big problem in our society nowadays. It's not always easy to be kind, but it is easy to be positive, and it's something we should all do more often because we can make a big difference. Thank you.